Hey everybody, what I'm going to go over today is how to access a Google Slides presentation on your Google Classroom and how to present it to yourself. This is going to be something that we're going to be doing throughout the year for some of our presentations. So anytime you forget or have some questions, you can always access this video. Okay, so to start, I'm going to go into Google Classroom as if I were a student. So I'm going to click here. Here's my Google Classroom app. Okay, so there I can see I'm a student in this class. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to come down here and click on classwork so you can see our information, classroom information. All I have in there right now is my course syllabus. At this point, there's probably some other how-to videos loaded in there. And then I can see first week materials and activities, getting to know Miss Landon September 8th. So I'm going to click on that. So now I can see the assignment. Right now it says it's 100 points. I just never went in and changed that. This is not worth 100 points. That's just how it is. Okay. So in order to find the document or the slide presentation or whatever it is that you need to download, you're going to come down here and click on this arrow. This will pop up anything that you need. So I'm going to tap that arrow. And now you can see here, I have different options. I have the actual assignment. I have something if I want to add a different attachment to it, and then I have the turn in button. If I have a question for a teacher or something, or you need to ask me something, you can go ahead and add that into the private comments down here. But what we're going to do first is click on the actual assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the presentation. So what is important to know, if you are accessing Google Slides for class, I need you to actually open it up in the Google Slides app so that you can present it. Right now, this is just showing you a PDF document. I don't want that. I want you to actually go through and be able to see the slides. So in order to open it up in Google Slides, you want to make sure you have this toolbar up here. To open it up in the correct app, you want to click on this button here. So the little square with the triangle is going to redirect you to somewhere else. So I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to let my iPad do its thing. It's going to start thinking, opening up what it needs to open, and it might take a minute. Okay, so now I can see the presentation. Again, if it is a Google Slides presentation, I do not want you to just scroll through on this side. I want you to go through and actually play it. There's some interactive slides, there's some voiceovers, some songs that are going to play. So you're only going to get that if you actually go through and play. In order to play a Google Slides presentation, once you open it up, click on the play button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to give you some options. I'm going to turn my volume down so that it doesn't start playing. Okay. I do not turn your volume down. I want you to be able to listen to it, but I just don't want you to be able to listen to it early in this video. Okay. So I click on the play button. It's going to give you some options on where you want to project it to. All you need to do is click on your first option. I believe your first option should say present on this device. That's what you want to do. I have my iPad hooked up to my computer, so that's why it says external display. But all you're ever going to do is click on that first option. Yours probably says present on this device. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to take a minute. And it's a bigger document, so it might be possible that whenever you open this up, you might start hearing the audio before it, but just give it a minute to load. So now that it's open, whatever it's telling you to do, click through and move on. Okay. So there you have it. That's how you access a Google Slides presentation on Google Classroom. This is not one that I need you to turn back into me, so I'm not going to go over that. I just wanted to go through how do you access it, how do you open it up in the actual application, and then how do you present it on your device. Okay.